Close your eyes and imagine I tell you, I have a dog. You know the object, but you don't really see it, do you? Now imagine I say, I have a tiny, fluffy, white dog. Suddenly, the image in your mind is clear. It has personality, it has life. Yesterday, we learned how to ask questions to gather information. Today, we learn how to give that information back with style. We are moving beyond just naming things to describing them. In the world of grammar, these are called adjectives. Adjectives are the paint of the English language. Without them, the world is just a list of nouns. With them, the world is a masterpiece. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe everything around you, from the temperature of your coffee to the size of your dreams. Let's add some color to your English. In many languages, you might say the object first and the description second, but in English, we usually do the opposite. The description comes before the thing. We say, a blue car, not a car blue. We say, a happy person, not a person happy. To start our journey, let's look at 3 essential pairs of opposites. Learning adjectives in pairs is the fastest way to build your vocabulary. Pair number 1, size, big and small. Repeat after me. Big, small. You can have a big house or a small key. A big problem or a small mistake. Pair number 2, temperature. Hot and cold. Repeat after me. Hot, cold. The sun is hot. The ice is cold. In English, we use these to describe the weather, our food, and even how we feel physically. Pair number 3, emotion. Happy and sad. Repeat after me. Happy, sad. These are the foundations of describing people. He is a happy man. It is a sad movie. Now let's talk about the 2 ways to use these words in a sentence. The first way is the adjective-noun combo. I see a big bus. The adjective sits right in front of the noun like a bodyguard. The second way is using the verb to be, which we learned on day 2. The bus is big. Notice the difference? The cold water versus the water is cold. Both are correct and both are very common. Today, we will focus mostly on the first version, putting the description before the noun because it helps you build more complex sentences later on. Remember, opinion or description first, object second. Let's get ready to practice. It's time to practice. I'm going to show you an object and 2 adjectives. I want you to combine them into a single phrase using the adjective plus noun rule. I will give you a few seconds, then I will say the correct answer. Round 1, simple objects. 1, words, blue car, a blue car. 2, words, fast train, a fast train. 3, words, green, tree, a green tree. Round 2, adding 2 adjectives. Now let's make it harder. We're going to use 2 adjectives at once. In English, when we use 2 adjectives, we often put a comma between them or just say them together. 4, words, small, red, apple, a small, red, apple. 5, words, big, old, /house, a big, old house. 6, words, hot, black, coffee, a hot, black coffee. Round 3, the which one? Game. I will ask a question, then you answer using the adjective. Which animal is slow? The turtle is slow, or the slow turtle? Which animal is fast? The rabbit is fast, or the fast rabbit. Which glass can I drink from? The full glass. Which glass has nothing inside? The empty glass. Round 4, describing people. How would you describe her? Is she a sad woman or a happy woman? She's a happy woman. Is he a short man or a tall man? He is a tall man. Great job! You are starting to see how these words act as labels. Before we move on, let's try a speed round. I'll show an image, and you have only 2 seconds to shout out one adjective that fits. Ready? Bright or yellow. A giant mountain, big or high. A wet umbrella, wet or black. A sleeping baby, quiet or small. Excellent. You're not just naming things anymore, you're describing a specific version of that thing. You aren't just seeing a baby, you are seeing a quiet, small baby. That's a huge leap in your English journey. Let's recap what we learned today about describing your world. First, adjectives are words that describe nouns, people, places, and things. Second, the most important rule to remember is the word order. In English, the adjective almost always comes before the noun. It's a new day, a beautiful sky, and a great lesson. Third, we learned that adjectives often come in opposites. If you know hot, try to learn cold. If you know big, learn small. This doubles your vocabulary with half the effort. Finally, we saw that you can use the verb to be to link a noun to an adjective, like, the lesson is easy. Adjectives give you the power to be specific. Instead of saying, I want food, you can say, I want hot food. That distinction makes a world of difference in real-life communication. Now for your Day 9 challenge, I want you to become an observer. Look around the room you are in right now. Pick 3 different objects. For each object, I want you to find 2 adjectives to describe it. For example, if I look at my desk, I see a smooth brown table. If I look at my window, I see a clear rectangular glass. Write these down in your notebook, or better yet, share your 3 objects and their adjectives in the comments below. I'll be looking to see if you put the adjectives in the right place before the noun. If you enjoyed learning how to paint with words today, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us reach more learners just like you. Tomorrow, we're going to take these descriptions into one of the most important places in any culture, the kitchen. We're covering Day 10, food and dining. You'll learn how to describe what you're eating and, more importantly, how to order a delicious meal in English.